Latest une transfer news sanibona bafethu uvane lo. Amathema amaningi ayathenga engabe yakhe team iyathenga na. Ngizoqala ngeindaba ebehamba phambili namhlanje okuyindaba zanina zamdlali obedlalela iKaizer Chiefs. UGustin Sirino ngoba bafethu iKaizer Chiefs ikhipha umbiko namhlanje iyasho ukuthi ke uGustin Sirino bayamdedela icontract yakhe umjita ayisayinwanga ayirenewanga kahle icontract yakhe. So ba decide ukumdedela umjita uzokwazi ke ajoine noma yipi team angayithanda ukuyijoina. Naku ke namhlanje ke Durban City sisho ukuthi ke cha siyamlanda ubanina uSirino siyamlanda le jersey aza khona la eThekwini eGagasini azodlalela i-team ekuthiwa iDurban City FC. Durban City ke bafethu ilanda more quality players, ilanda more experienced players ukuthi ke bazodlala kuyona iDurban City ukuze ke babasize benze kahle njengoba beyodlala kwiCAF Confed. Abagcina ngayo uGustin Sirino balande bani na? Balande noGoodman Musele. Goodman Musele uzojoina uzojoina iDurban City on a loan deal from Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates ke bafethu iyaqhubeka iyamgcina ubanina uGoodman Musele kuyona Orlando Pirates. I've never truly understood why Orlando Pirates imkhonze kanje uGoodman Musele, but ke it looks like umjita usazoqhubeka aye kwi-loan yabo, because we've seen more players Orlando Pirates ibadayisa, more players ibadedela yabo. But ke uGoodman Musele ever since wafika kuOrlando Pirates angikhumbuli edlala a full season for Orlando Pirates. Umjita uhlushwa ama-injury kakhulu, so I just hope lapha iDurban City uzokwazi ke afike khona abe comfortable abulo mdlali lo emdinga ngempela iDurban City. Ninanga ke lapho ke iDurban City announcele futhi another striker esiqhamuka kuyona iKaizer Chiefs okuba nina okuTeshrick Morris. Teshrick Morris is another player who didn't get game time kwiKaizer Chiefs. Umjita mayithola game time ubengabonakali as umdlali ofithayo kuyona iKaizer Chiefs. So let's hope nje beyodlala nje kuyona iDurban City uzokwazi ukuthi ke athole i-game time azokwazi ke akora amagoli. Kwezinye indaba eziphumile, le indaba lezi iphuma izolo regarding ubani na uRulani Mkwena. Remember uRulani Mkwena wehlile esihlalweni sakhe sokuba ucoach wani na weAl Ittihad club le yase Libya. Lapho khona besayina nje abadlali osayina Olocho, osayina obani oAziz Ki yabo. So wehlile ke esikhundleni sakhe umjita kubuya ngathi ke manje uyojoina iclub yale Egypt obizwa ngani na, ibizwa ngePyramids FC. Ayazi ke bafethi Pyramids FC le yashaya iOrlando Pirates yaphinda futhi yashaya iMamelodi Sundowns yayiseke ithatha iChampions League. So uRulani Mkwena uyokhoja yona leyo club leyo yabo. Let's hope izinto izomhambela kahle, but ke I have ngishaya ivideo ngayo uRulani bafethu. Kunanto engayithandi about uRulani Mkwena yabo, angazini, but there is something about uRulani Mkwena engayithandisisi kahle. Kumele ayishintshe because yona lento le edala ukuthi ke ama club amaningi angamthathi serious, angahlali ama season amaningi kulama club yabo. But ke let's hope izinto ke zizomhambela kahle kwiPyramids FC. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile uMatuludi currently he's training. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile uMatuludi he's currently training with iPolokwane City as we are speaking. Nje beku pre-season umjita ujima nayo iPolokwane City. Remember uMatuludi he's heavily linked with the Orlando Pirates and he is heavily linked with inina yona iMamelodi Sundowns. So currently agagaziwa ukuthi ke umjita imaphi ama club azowajoina. There are some talks with ama club amaningi ale ko Africa, ko North Africa, but ke Polokwane City kumele ithathe decision ngabe bamdayisela Orlando Pirates noma bamdayisela iMamelodi Sundowns yabo. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje Richards Bay FC announcele ke namhlanje ama signings abo amathathu okuba naku Nhlakanipho Ngcobo, kuba uNqabazulu mase kuba uSiyabonga uGumede. Letho phuka abajita bazokwazi ke bayibonakalise kuyona inina iRichards Bay FC. Ngiyayithanda lento enje eyenziwe iRichards Bay, isayina kakhulu abadlali abaphuma khona la. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu TS Galaxy are closing in to sign umjita odlala iswini okuba naku uSpesihle Tati. Umjita ke bafethu kubuya ngathi ke umdlali ngempela lo yabo. Zawumbona ngempela kuBetway Premiership next season yabo. Ibhola eliyodlalwa next season ngiyabona amathimba amaningi ayimisele ngempela and I really like ukubona izinto ezikanje. Le top abajita njengoba bezosayinwa nje bazodlala kahle yabo. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile ke bafethu uMelusi Buthelezi currently umjita uyojoina inina uyojoina iSikhukhune United on a free transfer. Remember he was recently released by Orlando Pirates, but ke umjita uyojoina inina iSikhukhune United. It's a good signing for iSikhukhune United. Currently they don't have a goalkeeper, if I'm not mistaken uRonaldo Liena usathana khamba yabo. So abanawo goalkeeper loyo awazomthemba kakhulu mase kuqhamuka yena uMelusi Buthelezi. Yes ubeyibench woma kuOrlando Pirates, but ke uMelusi Buthelezi is a goalkeeper ongamqalisa ama games yabo. Yabo uma umdlalise kahle nje with i-defense right umjita ngempela ungamqalisa ama games akwenzele kahle. Let's hope umjita uzofike enze kahle kusona iSikhukhune United. It's a very good decision ayithathe lo mjita because iSikhukhune is a very good team yabo, nabadlali abantswempu abayazi into abayenzayo. Let's hope ke uCedric Kaze uyayazi lento ayenzayo kuSikhukhune because iSikhukhune siyashesha ukuthi ke sibadedele coach mebe signa abadlali abangayenzi isense. Ngisakubona nje ugoalkeeper AmaZulu they are looking to sign umdlalo odlalela iHope FC okuJaden Valentine. Umjida ke bafethu kuthiwa ke uyadlala ngempela ugoalkeeper oright, and ke AmaZulu they are looking forward to sign this goalkeeper ukuthi ke abe ipart ye-DDC yawo AmaZulu. Ezinye zezindaba zo-goalkeeper nje bafethu uStanley Nwabalizolo u-announce iChippa United ukuthi ke usebuyile as their #1 goalkeeper. Remember uStanley Nwabali last season umjida decided to terminate his contract with iChippa United with unknown reasons whatsoever. But ke word reached yesterday lapho khona isikhipha umbiki iChippa United yasho ukuthi ke the goalkeeper has resigned with the team. Umjida he will play for iChippa United kule season ezoqala. Yabo, I highly spoke about uStanley Nwabali bafethu ngasho ukuthi ke umjida really did a bad decision by leaving iChippa United, because imagine leaving iChippa United lokho kumoshele kakhulu ngoba kuzonciphisa isikhala sakhe kule squad seNigeria. Yabo, iNigeria njengoba nje iyodlala ama competition amaningi, iyodlala nje ama CAF qualifiers, they will need a goalkeeper osewadlalile ama games. Yena ke nje usehlala isikhathi esingake engavimbile. Lento le ibizomnciphisela ngempela isikhala ku national team eNigeria. So mina I think i decision right ke abuyele kuyona inina iChippa United. Yabo, awekho ama team abazovela amsign just because he played well with iNigeria. First of all, iNigeria ayiwinanga, yabo. So yena ne-agent yakhe abacabanganga kahle. Maybe ke it was a miscalculated choice ukuthi ke ayishiye iChippa United last season, because there were rumors heading him to iKaizer Chiefs, but again now iKaizer Chiefs isayina uRonaldo Liyena. Usathanda consider nje igoli elihle eliqhamuka kumdlalo weRangers ngosikhathi ade idlala iKaizer Chiefs idraw nje ngo-1-1. Kuze izindaba eziphumile kabafethu uRonaldo Vanille umjida ke he is currently training with iGolden Arrows. Umjida scored 13 goals last season from iHungry Lions. Umjida ke ngenzeka assign as the new player yani naye iGolden Arrows, but ke akakakhulunywa lutho njengamanje, but ke umjida he is currently training with iGolden Arrows. They are still assessing the player. They want to see if he's fit enough to play in the Betway division. Izindaba eziphumile eThekwini deputy mayor uZandile Myeni uconfirmile ukuthi ke i-236 million wokulungiswa kweMoses Mabhida kuthiwa ke lento le izolungiswa up until uFebruary 2027. Remember I think it was 2024 I did a video regarding Moses Mabhida ukuthi ke iyalungiswa. Leyo mali ebalelwa ku-236 million ukulungiswa kweMoses Mabhida. If abantu abaningi last season meyobukela ibhola bayibonile iMoses Mabhida ukuthi ke vele isalungiswa, yabo. So inhlelo zalo ukuthi ke ilungiswe ziyoqedwa ngoFebruary 2027. Sizobona nje iMoses Mabhida bafethu entsha elungiswe kahle, mhlambe ke ne-better stores ngaphakathi, because sifuna ukuthenga mesithenga lapha asithengi kahle Moses Mabhida. So let's hope they fix the stores inside so we can purchase izinto kahle if siyobukela ama game. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kuthiwa ke uRibeiro Costa uyirejectile iMamelodi Sundowns. Umjida ngiyazi abuyele khona la eSouth Africa. But ke currently akaka announce lutho, but ke looks like umjida ngiyazi abuye khona la ku Betway Premiership. Singiyesazi anything can happen, imali yona ekhulumayo bafethu ke kusane pending case between yena with iMamelodi Sundowns. Angazi kwenzakalani between yena neSundowns, uyena oyoyixoxa leyo ndaba amase right, but ke it looks like currently umjida he won't join iMamelodi Sundowns, abuyele khona la eSouth Africa.